22 is f of x equals 7 minus 3e to the x. How might you go about actually drawing the graph of 7 minus 3e to the x? You could create a t-chart. What is this for x equals minus 1, but that's 7 minus 3 over e. You could use your calculator to produce some numbers. But let's look at it from this perspective. Beginning with the graph of e to the x. If this is the graph of e to the x, what does the graph of minus e to the x look like? If you produce the graph of minus e to the x, notice that it is the reflection of the graph e to the x across the x-axis. Question?
Isn't that the natural log?
You're absolutely right. This is log, I want e to the x. Sorry. Well, that is the natural log the way I drew it. This is y equals e to the x. And y equals minus, what I said is correct, is as long as I get a good picture correct. This is y equals minus e to the x. It's simply a reflection of the graph across the x-axis like this. Y equals 3e to the x takes each of these terms and multiplies by a factor of 3. So you multiply this expression by a scale factor of 3. 1 goes up to 3, this number is multiplied by 3, and so y equals 3e to the x has this form. And reflecting it across the axis, this again is multiplied by a factor of 3. It has this form down below, y equals minus 3e to the x. So here's the basic principle. If this is y equals e to the x, 3 times it multiplies each value by a scale factor of 3. Reflecting it across the x-axis changes the corresponding sign. 7 minus 3e to the x then begins with this graph and raises it up 7 units. Right? So I can rewrite this as the graph minus 3e to the x plus 7, which means I just take the scale factor and shift it up 7 units to get the corresponding value. This is 7 minus 3e to the x. Is that basic shape? So it should be a little higher. But like for example, at x equals 0, this is 1. So this is 7 minus 3, which is 4. So at x equals 0, it's up to 4. But that is the basic shape of 7 minus 3e to the x. Start off with e to the x. Multiply it by a scale factor of 3. Reflect it across the x-axis. Raise it up 7 units is what this graph looks like.